Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, the beautiful, gorgeous Gogo Skhotheni released a song. So this year I think unyaka wakhe guys. I think unyaka wakhe nje thina sikhaphe yena nje la emhlabeni. It's the song. So the song was released in April guys, and you guys kept quiet. Even on TikTok, like, you guys kept quiet. The song is not played. Why are you guys quiet about something so big? So obviously I had to remove the sound, but you guys can go and check out the song on Instagram. She has the audio on her Instagram where she was just thanking the people that she featured and the DJ and all of that. But guys, you guys were just so quiet about this. I'm so confused, like, and surprised with how the beautiful, gorgeous Gogo Skhotheni released a song and people were not impressed. I guess people were not impressed, Pella. Why are they quiet about it? So I think this year Shamsi Kapayana, guys, it's the new body, it's the new face, and she also said she also wants to do her breast after healing kuningi. So this year, hey, this is what she wrote when she posted the song. I dedicate this song to God Almighty, who carried me through my darkest times. Giving myself to God is one of the best decisions I have ever made. I worked with one of the best producers at Drum Pop. When I told him what I want, he most definitely understood the assignment and never misjudged me and never judged me. Etbonga Kwana, thank you for allowing me to express myself through your voice. Now, this song was released in April, guys, and I'm only hearing about it now. I guess people were not impressed. People were not impressed because they would be doing challenges now on TikTok. They would be posting, and taking Gogo Skhotheni. So I don't know, maybe people are not aware or ganja.